Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to change WhatsApp chat theme. Suppose if you'd like to change a theme for particular chat, first open the particular chat. Okay, here I have opened this chat, and to change theme, go to this three vertical dots. Okay, and here you will have chart theme. Just click on it. Here you can choose from the available options. There are so many themes available. Okay, see the preview. Okay, if it is okay, click on tick mark so that this theme will be set. Okay, this will replace your existing chart theme in Thurai prints. For the particular chart, you can easily choose. Okay, set theme. Go back and see, and open other chart. See, other chat theme is not changed. Okay, only particular chat theme is changed. It has been changed. Okay, if you'd like to change it to other one, yes, you can choose from the any option. Okay, wow. Finally click on this tick mark so that you can particularly select theme for particular chat. Okay, you can set different themes for different chats. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.